In this video, we will be showing you how to schedule a daily or weekly report of your current readings at a specific time during the day. So from your login in TankScan, you can go to your administration console, and there is a reports function here that you can schedule your report. In here I have one that's in there as a daily report already. We can add another one. The current reading list is what's available today. You can start that today. You can select which time you want this to come to you. So you want to see it 7 in the morning. You can set it daily or weekly, leave it enabled. You can set it up to go to yourself or a list of people. You can select the time zone that you're in, and that's all it takes. So this is set up to run daily. If I want to test this thing, I can select it, I can run it now, and this report would be sent to my email. So I can pull in the email that I just received from scheduled reporting. It includes a PDF of the current readings. I can double click on that, and here is the current readings list. All of your tanks, current data, and all the current readings. So with that, that's how you set up scheduled reportings. Thanks for joining.